Ticket. I need to buy a ticket for my flight to London. Passport. Don't forget your passport when you go through security. Baggage. The baggage claim area is on the left after you exit the gate. Check-in. I have to check in at the counter before I can board. Boarding pass. You need your boarding pass to get on the plane. Gate. The gate for my flight is number 5. Luggage. My luggage is too heavy. I need to put some items in a smaller bag. Security. Please take off your shoes before going through security. Customs. You will go through customs after you land. Arrival. The arrival time of the flight is 3 p.m. Departure. The departure gate is listed on the screen. Flight. My flight was delayed because of the weather. Terminal. The airport has 2 terminals, and mine is Terminal A. Delay. There was a delay due to a technical issue. Arrival time. The arrival time is 10:30, so I should be there by 11. Departure time. The departure time has been moved to 8:30 p.m. Carry-on. I have a carry-on bag with just a few essentials. Seatbelt. Please fasten your seatbelt during takeoff. Window seat. I prefer a window seat for the best view. Aisle seat. I chose an aisle seat for more legroom. Lost and found. I need to check the lost and found for my missing jacket. Flight attendant. The flight attendant will serve drinks shortly. Overhead bin. You can store your bag in the overhead bin. Layover. I have a 2-hour layover in Frankfurt before my next flight. Arrival gate. Please proceed to the arrival gate after your flight lands. Immigration. You will go through immigration after getting off the plane. Duty-free. I bought a bottle of perfume at the duty-free shop. Conveyor belt. The conveyor belt is where we pick up our checked luggage. Ticket counter. The ticket counter is where you check in for your flight. Flight number. My flight number is AA123.